And if you go to another society where other forms of entertainment is practiced, like falconing, which was also part of the Islamic form of recreation. In Greek metaphors, they talk about the falcon. People like Plato talk about the falcon and the falconer, talking about the philosopher who is guided is like the falcon, and the falconer is like God. And of course, the Sufis and some of the Muslim scholars would also use that metaphor to show the seeker of knowledge in relation to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So you can see falconing, a recreation, which is being done by certain people in the society, and this was practiced during the time of the Prophet, and some of the caliphs in the Umayyad period, people like Walid, became great falconers, and they owned a lot of falcons. And many of the upper classes among the Muslims engaged in this form of recreation. But the majority of the people were preoccupied with their own daily survival. And this was also true in Europe. So the kind of entertainment that was most available to these Muslim contemporaries would be entertainment with musical instruments.